Hello guys, welcome back, and let's take a look at gold for the fourth week of June. You know, I've always said gold needs a retracement. If we look at gold from this higher view, you realize that we are expecting a retracement from gold. There's nothing much from it. So gold needs a retracement, and we've started seeing some form of retracement on gold now. So I'm trying to let's have a view of where we are in the end of time, this equilibrium. So I'm just trying to see where might be the possible zone for gold to buy. This is the active OB. I'm not expecting price to come back here. So this is the active OB. This is where we have 1, 2, 3 impulsive move. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Okay. Let me lock you guys. I want to see where my nearest guys are. Okay. Good. So let me just give you guys so I'm expecting gold to get to this zone. Then I'm expecting this zone to be a suspected zone for this zone. So this is a very good zone to buy gold, and here gold might react, but this is equilibrium, so I prefer to see gold buy in this zone. So we still have about, what do we have here to equilibrium? Look at it, about about 205, 605 or 20,000. Let me see if I'm right. Okay. So I still have about 300 pips on gold. Gold sell. Okay, so if we have calculated that gold is going to sell, then let's take a look at where we are in the present thing of gold. So on a daily, this was the last. This was the last move on gold. So this was the break, and we are presently retesting the break. So this zone, yes, I like, yeah. So I like price to also give me a good sign in here. Well, we have this 1, 2, 3. We have multi-touch in this zone. That's one thing I noticed. That's why I'm choosing this zone. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 on this same zone. So we are bearish and this is the last demand, but we have impulsive. So this is a corrective to an impulsive move. So here we're expecting gold to sell from here. On daily, let me just say on daily we are bearish because price has started selling from my daily view. So let me just adjust my coordinates. So what am I looking for? I'm looking for more sales on gold. So I'm looking for more sales on gold then. Okay. So the very first person I will look to take out is equilibrium. So wow, there's a lot of, if I can see entry on this sell setup, it's still very fresh. So let's go down to, from daily I would like 1 hour first. Let's go through 1 hour first, because today I spot some buy setups, but I was not in the game because price had already tapped into here before I saw it and I was not in. So I was not interested in this buy setup, and I'm more interested in sell setup. So I was hoping that price might still come in a little bit deep into this 4-hour zone. That was actually my expectation. But you know, sometimes price just be looking at you like, who has your time? I don't have your time. So from 4-hour you can see I can't rule another line on this, but from 4-hour you can see that we have a good 1, 2, 3 touch from here. 1, 2, 3, and also we have a Falcon star here. So when price broke, we are having a correction here. So this correction is like an ascending pattern. Okay, good. I'm trying to see if I can get a good entry, but I'm not seeing any good entry on here. The only entry I'm seeing is this last breakout block here. This last breakout block here. So rally base, this is the base. So if I can see an opportunity to sell in this base, good is a gentleman. You are whining yourself, good is a gentleman. I see an opportunity here. This is a break of supply, turn demand, breakout, retest, and poof. So we have a rally base rally, and price supposed to use this to boost up, but price broke it. So this correction here might not, until I see a break of this zone. In fact, I need to delete this guy out because everything here to me, I don't need you guys anymore. You guys have done your path. I don't want to see. So I don't want to see. So if I could see a sell setup from here, would have been magnificent. CSL setup from here. Oh my god, it would have been magnificent on gold. It's a long journey on gold, and if you can hold, that'll be fine. So how volatile gold is. 45 pips on gold. Free 45 pips. What's that? Okay, 45 pips of gold. So first TP is this guy here, this low. This is my first TP on gold. Yeah, I think that's a good one on gold. So if that's for 1 hour, let's see what we have on 2 hour. Still the same. Still the same on 2 hour. Okay. On 3 hour. On 3 hour, it's this guy here. On 3 hour, this is a rally based rally that was taken out. On 4 hour, it's still this guy in here. So I like taking anything from 4 hour. So this is supposed to be the next demand. Price flipped it, so I believe price should sell here, which is what's that? Two, 3, 5. .35 and stop of 2.345.90. So we have drop, a continuation now. We should see price go down. We should see price go down. So it's a big one. It's a really big one. If you can look at it again, we have impulse, correction, impulse, correction. So we are in an impulsive leg on gold. Okay, so this is a correction, this is a correction, this is a correction. This is a pure impulsive leg. in here is a correction. This is impulsive leg, which is drop, base, drop. We come back to the base, then we should extend. See the rejection, which is inside the zone. This is a good mitigation. Inside this zone we have an bearish engulfing, which is a good presentation that price supplies are in that zone. So it's a good one for gold. And if we go down on the 4-hour, spots that gold on 4 hours has been dragging lightly, dragging. But on 1 hour it has been a good price move though, but on 4 hours not really. So we are expecting some impulsive continuation move. So what news do we have tomorrow? Because I believe tomorrow news should back gold up. Tomorrow news should back gold up for an impulsive drop. Gold has climbed this ladder for long. Okay, so let's check out what news do we have tomorrow. Is there any time? Okay, I just want to see today, no news. Tomorrow, 3 p.m. 1:30 p.m. I think that card news is going to help. Then FOMC members speak. Okay, so I'm expecting bearish on gold here. If I see a good bearish leg on gold, and it's a good one to continue the drop because price has broken back inside this trend. Inside this price have broken back in, so we should continue and we should aim for somewhere around this zone, which is a good one. So if we get a good entry, this one is going to be a good trade. If you get a good entry, all you just need to do is stack up. It's just stacking up. If we have a good entry though, we pray for good entry. If we have a good entry here, we just stack up, continue to stack up. So stack up until we get here. From here, start releasing all your stacks and start taking some partials. So I think that's that on gold. That's all the view I have for gold. Now this demand is not really pushing the way it's supposed to push. We really didn't have more push, so from this drop, I'm expecting price to mitigate this zone and we should have a drop. Alright, I think that's for gold. See ya, love you. So we shouldn't forget about the overall view that we have in mind, which is our correction view. That's our overall view. So we are correcting at least 50%. If not, but before 50%, I would love to take out my profit and leave some run-ins if markets are great. But we have a lot of demands on here and I want to see what price has to say. Alright guys, let's start for gold and we should see gold drop. Just as BTC dropped massively today to 59, I already said it some weeks back. BTC dropped some weeks back, which is not bad. So we should be expecting more drops. So this correction, let's label our previous day high and low. So this is my previous day low and this is my previous day high. daily high swing. This is also my previous day high. Daily swing low. So let me expatiate it a little and lock it. So I have it locked here. Okay, and we're locked here. So whoa, why are you not showing? I want to see here. Visibility. Not bad.
Chris, how are you saying?
Okay. Stop is above. So I think on a lower time frame, something like 15. Or probably 45 minutes for confirmation. Is 45 minutes confirmation. So if price gets into the zone, we'll wait for a confirmation entry. Going. Good. So I think that's on good. I'll have to see 45 minutes confirmation, sweep of liquidity, change the factor, then we get down. We'll have to see that. 45 minutes. I think I'll just wait 45 minutes. I'll scan to 45 minutes, 30 minutes, 15 minutes to see what happens inside the zone. So I think that's fine. You can see that this is a correction. You can see how genuine this zone is on multiple time frame. So if we see a good entry here, bam, we did bam balam. So let's see something like this. Where will be the target? First TP here. Can remove this. Alright, I think that's that on gold. So let's just expect a reaction in the zone, and if you have price react in the zone, that will be fine. That will be really fine for gold. If price should react in this zone, on gold rather, should really be fine from a 45 minutes standpoint. So I'll probably not use most of these ones. I would like to see confirmation here, then my on 30 minutes or 15 minutes as times permits. But I just love to stick on my, let me see what 3 hours also are, because 3 hours is one time frame that you never can tell. 3 hours is very good also for, see, 3 hours also inclined with it. See, I have this zone, so everything boils down to this zone here. Okay, I'm in this supply zone, so we need to see confirmation entry in this zone. And sometimes 30 minutes is a little more ripe, so I'm waiting for price inside the zone. Anything outside the zone I'm not interested. I'm interested inside. So this can still pull up and get some information in here, and in here we should see some switch and we should be ready to go. Alright, love you guys, see you. You know, I don't trade on Monday though, but I closed out some of my loss on USD card because I see that price is still dipping and I'm already in the buy. So I just closed that and re-enter at a good spot. So see you guys tomorrow as I'll be doing another video.